Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hardware wallet that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Trezor Model T crypto hardware wallet. The Model T comes packaged in a simple box that contains the wallet itself, a USB cable, a magnetic dock, a card for writing down your recovery seed code, and some stickers for the die-hard fans to stick on their computer case. As with the best Bitcoin wallets, it also features a handy seal on the USB port, which can let you know if the device has been tampered with. The USB connection uses the latest USB-C standard, and the device comes with a micro SD slot that allows you to have some encrypted onboard storage on your Trezor wallet. Let's now talk security. First off, you'll be glad to know that the Trezor Model T comes with a custom Trezor core operating system, running on a 168 MHz Cortex-M4 processor embedded in an STM32F4 microcontroller. It features both a universal two-factor authentication system and FIDO2 authentication, as well as GPG encryption. Moving on at number 4, we have the Ledger Nano X crypto wallet. Ledger's Nano X looks fairly slim in its USB thumbstick form. That said, it's a bit bigger than the Nano S, which makes its 2 buttons much easier to click. The device comes with fairly basic equipment, including a USB-C cable, a keychain strap, 3 recovery sheets, and a couple of stickers. Installation is pretty simple, though you will have to go through the process of entering both your PIN and your 24-word seed phrase before you can use the device. The Nano X is probably the best crypto wallet for easy mobile phone connection through Bluetooth, and you can control it from the Ledger Live app. At number 3, we have the KeepKey hardware wallet. KeepKey has been around for almost as long as Trezor and Ledger. The new owner of the proprietary hardware, Shapeshift, is also the owner of the popular digital asset trading platform of the same name, which KeepKey is fully integrated with. While not as popular or well supported by the community as the aforementioned devices, it is perhaps the best online Bitcoin wallet for new and inexperienced crypto users. First things first, while it's beautifully designed, there's no escaping the fact that the KeepKey hardware wallet is a biggin, measuring at 0.23 x 0.11 x 0.06 inches. It easily dwarfs most competitors, making it somewhat impractical for carrying around in your pocket. At number 2, we have the SecuX Stone V20 Plus, most secure crypto hardware wallet. The Stone V20 makes a strong case for being the top Bitcoin wallet around when it comes to design. The sleek diamond shape, brushed aluminum back, and massive 2.8 color touchscreen put the likes of the Trezor Model T and Ledger Nano X to shame, especially when it comes to screen real estate. We truly cannot stress enough just how much better the large screen on the V20 is to use compared to the competition. The packaging is pretty standard, with a tamper-proof seal covering the USB-C port, cards to write your recovery seed phrases on, a carrying case, a USB cable, and a user manual. Installation is quite straightforward, but just as with KeepKey, the company's proprietary SecuX web platform works only on Google Chrome. And finally, at number 1, we have the BitBox 02 Nova hardware wallet. The battle for the best online crypto wallet would seem strange without a Swiss security company getting in on the action. BitBox 02 is the second-generation cold wallet for Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies offered by Zurich-based Shift Crypto Security AG. It packs top security features into an extremely lightweight and portable package and is a great miniature alternative to bulky competitors such as KeepKey and Stone V20. The BitBox 02 comes in a tamper-proof vacuum-sealed bag that contains a surprising amount of gear. In addition to the device itself and a standard USB extension cable, you'll find a USB-C to USB Type-A converter, an 8GB micro SD card, and some labeling stickers. You also get a warranty and a compliance card, as well as a manual to help you get started. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.